The Okonomiyaki cooking class was definitely one of my favorite experiences. I like to cook, so I really enjoyed being able to make my own thing and being able to customize it.
The Okonomiyaki cooking class was a chance for us to get really hands-on with Japanese food. Okonomiyaki is a very special and honestly otherworldly dish for someone who didn't grow up on it.
It's set up kind of like a hibachi grill in the United States, where all of us were sitting around the flat top, but instead of having somebody cook it for us, we cooked our own, what they called a Hiroshima pizza.
It has a hodgepodge of a ton of different things in it, and as they were going through the class, I couldn't believe that we were kept adding more and more to our plate. There's cabbage and eggs and different proteins, and it is basically a pancake or sandwich pancake of a bunch of different ingredients. The sweet, salty flavors really come together. We had a great time flipping it. We all had our own station to kind of play around with what we wanted.
And then they had us do different sauces and add egg and that type of thing. It was really neat experience, just being able to kind of cook your own food and being instructed by what seemed to be pretty knowledgeable Japanese chefs and that type of thing. And
I also thought it was kind of fun just seeing everyone with like wearing paper hats and kind of customizing their own okonomiyaki and cutting it up funny, making weird shapes. So
the food actually turned out really good. At first, when I was looking at it, I was a little nervous to try it, but it ended up being a really good meal, and I really enjoyed just kind of the whole process of cooking a meal, especially with everybody on the trip, because at that point we'd all gotten pretty close, and so and then watching the professors also get in there and cook was neat.
So we had a lot of fun, and it was a good dinner and a good bonding experience.